outside is kind of raining, but we are bearable persons because we have to go somewhere. Here is train is coming for Fiumicino, but everyone is waiting for this train. You know, the train is going to be Fiumicino Aeroport. This airport is near village, because the Fiumicino city is a little bit smaller than Roma city, and then we are locating in Trastevere. You know, it's kind of raining season, but in the fifth line you can catch your train to the Fiumicino. And then this one is like this house. Look, this house styles is different than other style, because the Trastevere is the kind of architecture to the houses to build this, and they have different approach for this. And then you may see, and here is camera, media one, and something advertisement, and this one is like sounds to be hearing for someone, and to listen something to information, something like they are calling Fiumicino Aeroport. If you see here in Roma, and then many of the things is from metal, you know, because metal is, you know, is durable, and someone is like not too much curious about this, but you know, here is kind of circular economy, but we see here is for mixed trash kind of colors for each things, you know. But as you know, I show you the sky is like something like this because it's raining. We are going to Fiumicino Aeroport. Fiumicino Aeroport is near the Roma city, you know. It's just like a little bit busy city. Here is every kind of people you meet. Train line, you know. Ha 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 ho ho ho. Something to buy, like water and something cold. As you know, €1 something chips, for €3 M&M chocolate. And here is coffee, something like if you want to drink coffee, espresso, coffee, cappuccino, something different kind of coffees is here available, you know. And here is M&M chocolate, pocket, Kit Kat, Coca-Cola for €2, Fanta €2, like this. But this one is self bar, you can use for yourself. And this one is like lift to goes down, goes up, and it's mirror like this, as you know. But here is for firefighters, you know, it's also really important, you know. Welcome, like this situation. Security is so much powerful here, and you may meet safe, you will feel yourself not safe, you know. Like this. Unterweise, they are saying German language, you know, like this.